trying to get to 300 pounds.
Today in Chicago, we're joined with Tony Sentmanat, also known as Real World Tactical, and my co-host today, Lauren Quinn, the original figure. What's up, Lauren?
Hey, what's up, everybody?
So, Tony.
Yes, sir. Glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
So, what are you doing here in this cool Chicago weather, man? You enjoying this, dude?
Yeah, man. It's actually a lot different from Miami, Florida. Obviously, Miami, Florida, the heat is kind of crazy, so it's good to come to this weather, and it's not that bad. It's maybe, what, 70s, 80s right now?
Yeah.
70s, 80s. Nice little breeze. It's not humid.
Yeah.
Came pretty much for you, bro. For the big man.
I know you
the
did.
fluff.
Appreciate that.
You know what I'm saying? The fluff, the 380-pound fluff that deadlifts fucking a million fucking pounds every damn day.
Yeah, so you live in Miami, Florida, ex-police, right? Ex-SWAT.
Yes.
And ex-Marine Corps.
Yes, correct.
What years were you in the service?
I graduated in 1998. Went to the Marine Corps from 98 to 2002. Got out of the Marine Corps, and within maybe 6-7 months, I joined law enforcement, did corrections for about a year and a half, and then I did 15 years pretty much law enforcement after that. In the good old days, it was a lot of fun. Because back in the day, you could do real police work.
Oh, yeah.
And it was the chases,
so
and
like
you know, yeah, it was real, yeah.
Oh.
When I'm home, I have a set program usually that I follow. It's usually, it goes on a 12-week basis.
Okay.
So I do 12 weeks of that particular program, see where I'm at the end of the 12 weeks,
right.
and then I'll change it up and see what I want to work on the next 12 weeks. I'm always trying to bigger, stronger, faster. Honestly, Steve, I don't know any other way.
Yeah.
When you've been doing something for so long,
yeah.
and you've been going 100 miles an hour, that's just the way that you are.
That's it.
There's no, doesn't matter if you're 40, 50, whatever, you're gonna go to your limit every single time that you can.
I could vouch for that, man. So let's see.
Yeah, when you do like a deadlift that is 1,000 pounds and then you pass out, you get in the wall.
I wanted it. That's why I wasn't stopping until I died, basically. Yeah. So this question's from our sponsor, Pioneer Fit.
What's going on YouTube? Tony Sentmanat here, aka Real World Tactical. I got Steve Johnson in the house and I got Mike Yacko in the house. I am here at Chicago Barbell Compound, one of the baddest gyms in Chicago, okay? We are here doing some of my workouts. Of course, I had to cater some of the baddest motherfuckers in the house here. Steve Johnson, a power lifter, as well as Mike, another power lifter. All right, we're doing a little bit of my style training today, as well as their style training. We're doing some squats, some deadlifts, some farmer's walks, some snatches, some jumping, some crazy shit, all right, that you guys probably never seen some powerlifters do. But of course, I am not worried about it because these are some badass motherfuckers right here that will crush the workout that I have for them today. What our workout will consist of will be some squats with a duffel bar. We're gonna be working all the way up to 4 plates, okay, which is 415 because the duffel bar is 55 pounds, all right? We're gonna do sets of 5, all right? Then from there, we're gonna go straight to some deadlifts, also 400 pounds, sets of 5. We're gonna work some one-arm dumbbell snatches up to 100 pounds in each arm for sets of 6. Then we're gonna be doing some burpee box jumps, as well on the snatches, we're gonna be doing burpees as well. Some burpee box jumps, and then we're gonna do some farmer's carry with the hex bar up to 3 plates and 4 plates, all right? In total, we probably will be working up to 6 to 7 different sets because we're gonna be warming up first, we're gonna be breaking down every exercise, getting warmed up, then we're gonna run the circuit from 3 plates to 4 plates, and then we're gonna be working a pyramid style, which we're gonna be working all the way down. Then we're gonna come down and break it down to 3 plates again for higher reps. So I hope you guys enjoy, check it out.
fucking gassed out. 308 life. 308 life.
How do you feel?
Real tactical. Feeling pretty fucking tactical. Work. Yeah, come on. Wait, come on. Yep. Come on. Work. Come on. Come on. Get it. Let's go. Nice. Come on. Come on, Tony. Go, let's go.
Oh, he's moving faster than me.
Hey! Yeah, buddy.
Well, guys, we just finished our workout today here at Chicago Barbell Compound. It was a great workout. Everybody fucking killed it. Steve Johnson's a fucking animal. All right, Mike Yacko's an animal. He's a 22-year-old stud. All right, Steve Johnson's a fucking badass powerlifter that can jump and do all the shit that I do. It's fucking great. I love to come to all these different gyms around the country and work out with all these different individuals that are great at their sport. It's all about everybody here pushing it 100% all the time. All right, and giving your all, and then being positive towards every other type of sport there is. I don't care if you're a crossfit or powerlifter, strength conditioning, whatever it is. You always want to push each other to the limit. All of us here, we travel around the country training with all types of different people. And all these different gyms we go to, there ain't no motherfucking fake weights. It's the real deal here, right? Everybody gave 100%, and every single time we come out here, that's what we do. It's all about the mindset, all about busting your ass when you come to these places. So I had a phenomenal time. Thank you, Steve, for bringing me out here. It was a pleasure.
Tony had us doing some of his style workouts today. I'm a little out of my element when it comes to these kind of workouts, but it was definitely fun. It didn't have the endurance that I thought I would have, but it was definitely good kind of throwing in that mix, something I'm not used to currently as I'm prepping for a competition here in a few weeks. And prior to this, deadlifting 805 for 3 pounds yesterday.
Get that shit up! Get on! Let's
go! So, basically did the best I could, and I thought I hung out pretty well at 300 pounds. So appreciate Tony coming out, Mike coming out, and then all these guys hanging today and doing a good job. So we're killing today.
It was a great workout. It's a different style of training. I'm used to more heavy weight, less reps. Tony came in and we did more weight, more reps. And I died. We're watching this. Right?
Yeah, and I died. And I died. Okay, fine.
I say a lot. This guy makes machine gun noises. This guy doesn't know what to say.
All right, guys, so that concludes our workout for the day. My name's Tony Sentmanat. You guys can follow me on Instagram, realworld_tactical. Steve, what's yours?
Steve Johnson, I'm at Forsaken Warrior. I got a few also at Team Forsaken. And don't forget to listen to my podcast, Forsaken Warrior Podcast.
Mike?
Mike Yacko, Mike_YACKO.
All right, guys, if you liked our workout, go ahead and subscribe to Steve's channel. And on to the next one.
Awesome.